Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now another code, which is *##225#*##. And there we are in the calendar information, so we can check the events which are gathered in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which should open the diagnostic information. It is *##426###. And there we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level should also be right here. After tapping on events, we've got some further details. We can also open advanced view. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on advanced view. Tap on the status, and right here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code, another technical code, which is *##6776#. And here we are in the software version, so we can check the exact model of our device, Android version, master date, branch version, or the build time. Let's go back, and another code, another technical code. It is *##888#. And here we've got the engineering mode, where we can check the PCB number, and we can also scan this QR code and check the information about the device. Let's go back, and another code, the last code I believe. It is *##800. Not 1,000, 800 pound. And here we are in the feedback menu. So basically, if you meet any kind of different problems with your device, you can report them. So let's pretend I've got problems with the touchscreen. So I have to choose a specific category, so display in the touchscreen, and for example, mistouch. Always allow. I highly recommend to always allow the screen recording, so you will be able to actually show what's going on. You can start the capturing the log, go back to the section where the problem occurred and record it, and then report it. So that's really nice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.